my 9-volt battery flashlight that I made. Let's see. Alright, so the description of my 9-volt battery is my power source was a 9-volt battery. My light was a 5mm LED. I had electrical tape, a resistor, and red and black wire. For week 1, I wanted to find instructions and get supplies. And this is how my week 1 turned out. This is my link to instructables. 1 second. Oh, let it load. 1 second. Sorry. This is my link to instructables, and this is where I got the idea of my 9-volt battery flashlight from. Yeah, this is what it was. This is what I was trying to go for. These are the videos that I based my project off of. This is the first video, and oh, there's an ad.
This isn't working. Barbara Bollier
Sorry
will
about
fix it
that.
by fighting for broadband access.
Alright, so this is the video that I based my 9-volt battery off of, the first one. As you can see, there's a battery, 2 LEDs, the wires, and the electrical tape. My second video was a little bit of the same stuff, but this guy had a switch on his, and he had a different kind of LED, and his is very bright. Alright, for my week 2, I was trying to figure out and put everything together. My week 2, I actually ended up soldering or learning how to solder. And in this project, I did not solder it together, but this is the video that I watched. This guy taught me how to solder and what to do. His solder was very nice compared to what mine was. A lot nicer than what mine was. So that was my week 2. My week 3, I was trying to perfect what I am building and figure out like any of the problems that I have. My week 3, it changed. I ended up not soldering, and I ran into a problem with the on and off switch. I didn't have an on and off switch, and so I had to just like figure out how to do what I was gonna do. And then this is my week 4, which was everything was supposed to be done by this time, or almost finished, like perfecting my craft. And this is what I have for my week 4. This is my Google Drive. This is a video of me showing the positive side and the negative side of the LED. The longer side is the positive, the shorter side is the negative. This is just showing the red and black wire. Let's see. This is after I put the resistor, connected it to the black wire, and then I had the LED in my hand, and you're going to put the longer side of the LED on the red, so this side on the red, and the shorter side connected to the resistor. This is what it looks like after the LED is connected to the resistor, and the red is going to touch the longer prong, which is going to make the LED work. And if you don't have a resistor and you're just putting 9 volts through this battery or through this LED, then you're gonna blow it out. I learned that by the hard way by blowing a couple of LEDs out. Oh, that's not important either. Is this one? Those are just me showing how a hot glue gun works. Sorry. This is my semi finished project. This is a rough draft of it. After this, I had just put duct tape around it more, covered up the wires. I also put some hot glue around the wire so I would not burn myself or electrocute myself. The red wire is right here. It's exposed a little bit, so when this prong touches that red wire, then the light will turn on, as you'll see in the rest of this video. Right there, when it touches that, it'll light up. And then my mastery of technology is the depth that you need to go into learning this kind of stuff. You need to dig deep and actually like find resources and different videos to like how you're gonna do this or like what you need to do and learn. Soldering took a lot of time. You need a lot of time for these kind of projects and patience. I burnt out a lot of LEDs and I didn't know what I was doing wrong until I figured out that you need to have a resistor. And then I stopped burning out LEDs. So you have to have patience with that and not burn out LEDs. Why I chose this project, I wanted to make a flashlight for my dad, pretty much. I wanted to learn more about circuits, and I want to do HVAC, and I thought that this would be a good start in how to learn like circuits and do stuff like that. And this is just that same video that I showed you before. It's just my flashlight working, and I had covered it up more, so it's not as dangerous as it looks. All right, that's my project. Thank you.